The Westland rainforest is a temperate rainforest on the coast of the southern island of New Zealand. A temperate forest is a non-tropical forest that occurs in a temperate zone due to high precipitation. The precipitation comes mainly from the mountains, where it comes in the form of snowfall. Snow is rare in the lowlands, where the temperature ranges from 68 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Much of the Westland's weather is caused by anticyclones. The Alpine Fault runs through the southern island. The last major earthquake occurred in 1717. Scientists say an earthquake is only 29% probable in the next 50 years. If it did happen, it could have a major impact on the ecosystem. The area has a high biodiversity of plants and animals due to its remote location. But there are no natural predators in this forest except for certain spiders. Yes, spiders. Most of the spiders here don't actually make webs. They run around on the ground to catch their prey. Speaking of predators, New Zealand used to be home to the largest eagle ever known to exist. It would attack a kind of bird called the moa, but apparently it hunted them into extinction, thus running out of its own food and becoming extinct itself.
Say something, I'm giving up on you.
The moa was a kind of bird, like most of the animals on the island. Really, almost every animal in this forest is some kind of bird. We've got the Kia parrot, fantails, pukeko, the sir-winged plover, and my personal favorite, the kiwi. A kiwi? Oh, not that kind of kiwi, this kind of kiwi. Kiwis are adorable and amazing. I mean, just look at them. But did you know that kiwis are actually the size of a chicken? Isn't that terrifying? Anyways, kiwis are wingless, tailless, and flightless birds, but that doesn't make them any less amazing. Other than the birds, the only other creatures in the forest are a fun collection of insects. You know, lots of snails, slugs, and worms. But besides the spiders, birds, and insects, there aren't any other animals here. There is a large diversity of plants here, many different kinds of mosses and algae, and a great variety of trees. There are, and please excuse my pronunciations, Mai Tai trees, Totara trees, southern rata trees, umbrella trees, rimu trees, and the New Zealand broadleaf. The Westland rainforest is also home to the largest fern in the world, the black tree fern. In the forest, you can also find a very fun, poisonous plant called Correaria arborea. It's got a very fun name. It is a small stemmed shrub-like tree. Honey can become contaminated with the plant and cause outbreaks of poisoning among people. Symptoms can include delirium, vomiting, seizures, and sometimes even comas. Luckily, all of the birds on the island know not to eat it, especially the lovely kiwis. They're just so magical. And there you have it. That is the Westland Temperate Rainforest, a fun place full of interesting plants and glorious birds. The end.